Good morning and welcome to this video on the concept of how the energy of a capacitor is impacted because of the introduction of a dielectric. So if you see the diagram on the left hand side, you have a capacitor which is having energy of Q square by 2C, and then you introduce a dielectric in this capacitor. You can see the capacitor on the left hand side is not connected to any battery. So on the right hand side, when the dielectric is introduced, the charge remains constant. When you introduce the dielectric in a capacitor, the dielectric starts getting polarized on the surface, right? You must have studied about polarization. Otherwise, you can go through my playlist and read about polarization of a dielectric. Now, that means the surface of the dielectric is getting attracted by the plates of the capacitor. Now, because of this, the capacitor wants to go inside the capacitor, which means the dielectric is pulled upwards, because the moment you start introducing dielectric inside the capacitor, the polarization happens, which means an attractive or a bound force starts appearing between the plates of the capacitor and the surface of the dielectric, which means some kind of pull being experienced by the dielectric to come up. So dielectric starts getting inside the capacitor. So first thing, the dielectric experiences a pull inside the capacitor. Now you don't want this capacitor, so the dielectric, to start accelerating inside the capacitor as it is getting pulled up. So you have to hold it and do some work on the dielectric to prevent its acceleration. Now because of that, the overall energy of the capacitor goes down, because you have done some work for prevention of acceleration of the dielectric. If this is not clear to you, there is another way to understand this. The capacitor uses some part of its energy to pull the dielectric inside, so it loses energy. So you can see on the right hand side, the net energy of the capacitor has gone down. And if you want to account for the loss of this energy, it is because the capacitor had some energy, for example, 10 joules, and 2 joules were consumed in pulling the dielectric upwards. So I hope it is clear to you what is the impact of introduction of a dielectric in a fully charged capacitor. The overall energy goes down because capacitor spends a part of the energy in pulling up the dielectric. Thank you very much.